So how do you come up with business ideas? That's one of the questions I've been getting for like ages and ages and ages. So I'm gonna tell you a simple way, simplified way. It doesn't have to get complicated, okay? So here's what you need to do. So number one, okay, money. So open up your phone, find your banking app, and then go ahead and find out where are you spending most of your money. So I'm spending most of my money in learning tools, courses, seminars, okay? So find out where you're spending money. Number two, where are you spending most of your time? I'm spending most of the time making videos, writing books, talking to people on Zoom call about sales, building softwares, selling softwares. So you know where you spend money and you know where you spend time, okay? You know those two things. Keep in mind, okay? Those things are things you can teach other people or keep doing it to make money. For example, let's say, I'm gonna give you an example right here. Let's say you are into juicing. You're like, I've been juicing every day, every day, every 2 days for all these years. You're like, wait, I can, maybe sell juices. Maybe I can go ahead and sell a recipe of the juice. Right? Or let's say you've been playing guitar for all these years, right? You're so good at it, right? I'm spending 2-3 hours, playing my guitar. Why can't I make money from it? You can go ahead and make money through selling the notes, selling the lessons. So right now, where do you spend your time? That same thing can be monetized. Where are you spending a lot of your money? That's the same thing that you learned that can be sold as well. Now, those are two ways. Now, third way, what you can do is you can head over to a website called Reddit right here, or Craigslist, or Quora, okay? Go to those websites and find out what problem are people having. Are people having problem with their hair? Are people having problem with their skin? Are people having problem because they're fat, too skinny? Those are all problems. So once you find those problems, you have a new job that's finding a solution for that problem. So if you use these three things, you should be able to come up with at least 10 good ideas. Now, once you come up with those 10 ideas, you have to narrow it down to top 2 or 3. Now, after that, you have to go ahead and validate your idea to make sure that, hey, are people actually willing to pay me money? Like real money, like not fake money. So once you go ahead and come up with that first, like let's say one idea. Now, next up what you do is, let's say you come up with an idea where you're going to be selling juice, okay? This is an example. So you're going to go ahead and post a story or post on your Facebook and say, hey guys, I've been wanting to start a juicing business. Do you think this would be a great idea and would you be interested? Just post that. Now people are going to say yes. But are they willing to pay? So all those people who said yes, message them, hey, amazing, thank you so much. Would you be willing to deposit $10 as a prepayment for a future order? Now, let them know that if it doesn't work out, you will refund them the money. Now, here's the thing. If people are not willing to pull out their wallet and actually make a payment for it, you're not validating the idea. That's one. Number two, what you can do is you can head over to Craigslist, okay? Craigslist, go there, and again, offer people your product as like a pre-sale. Now think about it like this. Now Tesla, we all know Tesla, right? Now Tesla, even before they had their, trucks, they said, hey, why don't you guys go ahead and place an order, right? And it was $1,000 for a pre-order. You could get that money back if you decide to cancel, but you had to deposit $1,000 today, right now, on your phone, and you'll get your truck in like a year or two. Elon Musk, he raised a lot of money through this idea. So you can do the same thing and go ahead and pre-sell your product to make sure that are people interested? If they are they willing to back it up with money, real money? There you go. That's how you go ahead and come up with a business idea, and that's how you validate a business idea.